Look. Okay. Look. Come on. One more video, y'all. I know you can't really see me. They call me Dark Man, though. AKA G Money. Facebook. G Cash. Space. Second 100 bands. With a Z. Space. Malone. You'll see me on that nigga just parked next to the truck, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm about to get back to it. I'm about to get this money, nigga, like I'm mad to it. Man, I'm mad about it. These niggas weak, talking weak shit. About to get eat. I don't give a fuck. I'm the big shark though, and you the Guffy, homie. I'm an arc though. I'ma make these niggas know I spark though. I real spark real quick on the mark like get. If you niggas don't get, then you niggas get shot. Niggas talking like they don't, and I really won't stop. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm a gangster on the spot. These niggas get killed like cracker dots. I don't give a fuck like get got. Niggas get hit like I'm that spy. I'm that guy. Niggas know me. They really asking why. When it's too late, when niggas know they bait, I don't give a fuck. My niggas ain't coming late. We just do things on the spot. Nigga, handle the business. I'ma come through this bitch like I just on Ritalin. My family, nigga, yeah, we just on Ritalin. We all fucking crazy, so you just on Ventolin. Niggas wanna fuck with me, so guess what's in it? Niggas wanna get killed, so guess what? I've been in it. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Family crazy though. My dad crazy. I don't give a fuck. Got this money like I don't give a fuck. My mom passed. I don't give a fuck. Niggas so dumb. Niggas so dead. Got a 9mm in the head. If you talk that shit, I really will spread. I don't give a fuck you talking that dumb shit. I give that shit. I live that shit. I'm about that lifestyle, homie, man. I kid that shit. I never kid that shit. Cause y'all niggas done kids and shit. Talking bullshit, get that shit. Better get your own bread, cause I'm gonna come. If a nigga wanna fuck with me, I ain't gonna run. I guarantee nigga down sparking off. A couple shots in the dome, really let it off. Man, I need niggas to really sign me, dog. Trying to make a big thing happen, nigga, like a party, dog. Niggas so weak, nigga. I just flow off the beat, nigga. I eat niggas. Niggas so weak, nigga. They treat niggas. Niggas talk about Halloween, nigga. I'm back, nigga. Call your boy Michael Myers. So spaz, nigga. Yeah, I just spaz, nigga. I ain't no ass, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't serve class, nigga. I don't give a fuck. These niggas be trying to get discounts when I come to this bitch, nigga. You can't count. Like, bitch, give me 10. And you give me 5. I'm looking at you like, really, nigga? Really live? Really kidding? Are you talking job? Nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna ride. I ride for mines. I die for mines. My niggas don't understand the violence lines. When they fuck with me, nigga, I'm back like bees, nigga. I come through this bitch and I really gon' sting, nigga. Hit niggas all day. Yeah, you're hit list. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I ain't gonna miss. I ain't gonna miss niggas. I ain't gonna kiss niggas. I'm about that real shit, baby. Call you miss, nigga. Call you miss, nigga. Jazz.
Pop down in the ladies, take off, they can't take it, we gone. But I can't tell you how we getting it. But the whole city is a witness.
G Money, dog. I told y'all already, y'all better fuck with me, nigga. My whole city a witness. You heard that? Detroit, baby. We on this bitch, nigga. Fuck these niggas.